Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josie and this is AI Digital Society, where I break down everything AI so you can actually use it in your business and your life. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. I drop new content every week. Today I'm sharing something that I genuinely cannot believe more people aren't talking about. Anthropic, the company behind Claude AI, just quietly launched a free education platform with over 20 courses. And the best part, every single one of them comes with a free official certificate. Let's get into it. Here's what we're talking about. Over 20 free courses, $0 to enroll, and an official certificate from Anthropic on every single one. No credit card, no subscription. You just need your email address. This platform launched in 2026, and it is already one of the best free AI education resources on the internet. The platform is organized into 3 learning tracks. Track 1 is for everyone. No coding required. This is perfect if you're an entrepreneur, a student, an educator, or anyone who just wants to get better at using AI tools in their daily life. 6 courses in this track. Track 2 is for developers. This one gets into the API Claude Code, building agents, MCP servers, and cloud deployments on AWS and Google. 11 courses here, and track 3 is specifically for Cowork users. If you're using the Claude desktop app for work, this track is for you. 3 courses. Let's start with track 1. For everyone. No coding, no prior experience. You literally just show up and learn. The flagship course in this track is Claude 101. If you have never used Claude before, this is your starting point. The course walks you through exactly what Claude is and how it works, how to have your first real conversation and get useful results right away, how to use projects and artifacts and skills, how to connect your tools and finishes with real use cases by role so you can see exactly how it applies to your situation. And yes, there's a free certificate at the end. Course 2 is called AI Fluency, Framework and Foundations. And this one is special. Anthropic partnered with actual academic experts to build this course around something called the 4D framework: delegation, knowing when and what to hand off to AI description, writing prompts that actually get what you need, discernment, evaluating AI output critically before you, diligence, using AI safely, ethically, and responsibly. These are the 4 skills that separate people who get real results from AI from people who are just frustrated by it. And Anthropic didn't stop there. They built custom versions of the AI Fluency course for specific audiences. There's one for educators, one for students, one specifically for small business owners, one for nonprofits, and one for builders and makers. So whatever your situation is, there's a version of this course built for you. Now let's talk track 2, for developers. If you build things with code, this track is going to change how you work. Build with the API code with AI, deploy at scale. 11 courses total. The developer track covers Claude Code 101, which is brand new and teaches you how to use AI in your development workflow from day one. Then there's Claude Code in Action, Claude Platform 101, and Building with the Claude API, which is a comprehensive course on the full spectrum of working with Anthropic models. And then it gets more advanced: Introduction to Agent Skills, Introduction to Subagents, 2 dedicated MCP courses and Cloud Platform courses for both AWS Bedrock and Google Cloud Vertex AI. 11 courses, all free, all certified. Track 3 is for Cowork users. The main course here is Introduction to Claude Cowork. It teaches you the Cowork task loop, how to use plugins and skills, how to do file and research workflows, and how to steer multi-step work so you're actually productive. 3 courses in this track, all free, all certified. So how do you actually get started? It's genuinely this simple. Step 1, go to anthropic.skilljar.com. Step 2, find the course you want and click Register vertical bar free. It creates your free SkillJar account with just your email address. No payment info, nothing. Step 3, complete the course, pass the quiz, and download your certificate. That's it. 2 minutes to sign up and you're in. Now I know some of you are wondering, which one should I start with? Here's my honest recommendation. If you're brand new to AI, Claude 101, full stop. If you're a business owner, AI Fluency for small businesses. If you're an educator, AI Fluency for educators. If you're a developer, Claude Code 100, one paired with building with the Claude API. If you use the Cowork desktop app, Introduction to Claude Cowork. And if you're not sure where you fit, start with Claude 10. 1. It was designed for everyone. Let me say this clearly. Every single course on this platform comes with an official certificate from Anthropic. You finish the course, you pass the final assessment, you get your certificate. It's real. It's from Anthropic, and you can share it directly on LinkedIn. This is not a participation trophy. This is a credential that tells employers and clients that you have been trained by the company that built the AI. All right, that's everything. Anthropic's free course platform is live right now at anthropic.skilljar.com. Over 20 courses, $0 official certificates. There is no reason not to take at least one of these. If this video was helpful, please like it. It really does help the channel. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that button now so you get notified every time I post. And if you want to go deeper and connect with a community of people who are all learning and applying AI together, I have a free school community. The link is in the description below. Come join us. I'll see you in the next one.